Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my daily vlog. This is the day 24, 25, and 26. And again, I failed to keep my consistency, but this is the 3 days update. And thank you for 10 subscribers. I know it's so little, but it's a big achievement for me because I'm not doing anything. I'm just sharing my personal journey, and you are liking this, you are commenting on this, and thank you so much for this. And another thing, English is not my native language. I am trying to improve my English, and that's why sorry for my weird grammatical mistake and weird accent. Okay, whatever. If you don't know me, I'm a 24 years old engineering student and entrepreneur, or trying to be entrepreneur, and I'm sharing my journey with you in raw format. What I have done in these 3 days, I have just recorded some of my lecture. This is the lecture of class 6 science and chapter 9, and I'm recording it for class 6, class 7, and class 8. Not only class 8, class 6 and 7. And I have made slides, recorded videos, and edited some of this. And also this is the video is rendering. The Premiere Pro, the Filmora, and Audacity is opened in my PC, and my PC just being slow because it has only 16 GB RAM. Okay, whatever. And hopefully today and next day is Friday, and I will upload. I will record some of lecture 2 or 3 lecture. After that, I will completely shut down this and will focus on my agency, on my skill building. What I have started learning product design, actually UX design, and I will focus on my agency because I have two business. That is, I have a edtech and I have agency. So I will focus on this, and I have to upload some of my personal brand related videos on my personal channel, personal page. So I have to look after on this. So that's it. This is the update, and thank you for 10 subscribers. Thank you guys for commenting. Thank you for your suggestion. All of this. Thank you so much. And for this, I have said that I'll upload. If I get 10 subscribers, I will upload a video, and this will be well edited, and this is a story type video, a storytelling type video. So I'll upload a video on next day. I'll try to share my update, obviously, and beside this I will upload a well edited video. The video title will most probably live literally, and uh, let me know in the comment if you want this video, and obviously watch these videos. Okay, this video will be more or less 3 to 5 minutes, but well edited and like documentary type video. So that's it. That's all for today. Hopefully see you soon on our next vlog, and thank you for your support, and goodbye. And remember one thing, never ever give up, and I want to see you win. We'll be successful together. Bye.